Hello, friends. If you've just bought the Samsung F70 Pro and you're not sure how to insert the SIM card correctly, this video is for you. In just 1 minute, I'll show you the entire process step by step. You'll learn how to safely open the SIM card tray, how to place the SIM card in the correct position, and how to insert the tray back so your phone can detect the network right away. I'll also show you which side the SIM card should face, what to do if your phone doesn't detect the SIM card, and how to avoid common mistakes that could damage the SIM tray or the SIM card itself. Everything will be shown clearly on the screen, so you can easily follow along on your Samsung F70 Pro 5G without any technical knowledge or special tools, just the standard SIM ejector pin that comes with the phone.